Embedded system program. Embedded systems are everywhere. They control our cars, smartphones, smart homes and more. Be an embedded system engineer and master needed skills to succeed. The clock is ticking. You need to learn these skills fast to start a career in embedded systems. Become an embedded system engineer with this comprehensive program. Step-by-step all-in-one challenge to be an embedded system engineer and master needed skills to succeed. You will learn the skills that are in high demand by enrolling in this program. You will start your career as an embedded systems engineer, learn what is needed to succeed in this business. You will learn the most in-demand skills in the fastest possible time. Here is what you will get for $199, instead of paying $900. Bundle contents. Embedded system program. Step-by-step all-in-one program to help you become an embedded system engineer and master needed skills to get paid high. Embedded systems consultation call. Learn the skills that are in high demand by enrolling in this program. Start your career as embedded systems engineer, learn what is needed to succeed in this business. Learn the most in-demand skills in the fastest possible time. Become an embedded systems engineer and master the skills to succeed. Become a successful embedded systems engineer with the help of this program. Get your dream job and start working as an embedded systems engineer ASAP. Get this course now. Sign up for the program now. What you learn. Learn embedded C. Learn how to program, use and interact with Arduino. Learn how to program, use and interact with PIC microcontroller. Learn communication protocols. Learn circuit design and simulation from scratch. Learn 3D design and simulation to make your own 3D models. Learn PCB fabrication from scratch. Learn everything about embedded system. Learn to use all the software tools needed to be successful as an embedded system engineer. Build an Arduino prototype to create your own game using LEDs. Learn how to solve complex problems with microcontrollers. Learn how to make your own products, make them work. How to implement communication protocols in your project.